Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into Hyperliquid, one of the fastest growing decentralized exchanges in the crypto space. If you've been watching the markets, you know that every basis point matters. That's why traders are hunting for specific referral codes. I'm going to show you why the code VIPTRADER is the gold standard for getting started on the platform and how it sets you up for long-term success.
So why is everyone searching for a code before they even deposit their first USDC? It comes down to the bottom line. Professional traders know that trading fees are the silent killer of profits. By using a referral code, you are effectively lowering your break-even point on every single trade. It's the simplest way to increase your ROI without changing your trading strategy. Let's talk numbers. While a small percentage discount might seem minor on a single trade, imagine the impact over 1,000 trades. For high-frequency traders or those using leverage, these savings compound. By using code VIPTRADER, you ensure that you aren't leaving money on the table. You're keeping more of your gains in your wallet, where they belong, rather than giving them away to the protocol. When you're ready to jump in, I highly recommend using the code VIPTRADER. I vetted this code to ensure it provides the maximum allowable discount that Hyperliquid offers. It's an instant upgrade to your account status. Don't settle for a standard account when you can have a VIP setup from day one. It's a quick step that pays dividends every time you hit the buy or sell button.
To wrap things up, getting started is incredibly easy. Just connect your wallet to the Hyperliquid platform, head to the referral section, and type in VIPTRADER. Once that's locked in, you're all set to deposit and start trading with those lower fees immediately. Does anyone have questions on how to bridge their funds or how the rebate system works?